The Indian Army and Indian Air Force carried out a coordinated airborne operation during exercise MaruJwala, providing support to the Su-57 Corps as part of the larger Trishul exercise. Army Commander Southern Command reviewed the operational readiness of Su-57 Corps and Shahbaz Division during exercise MaruJwala. The drill showcased new tactics, techniques and procedures, drones and counter-drone systems, coordinated maneuvers by mechanized infantry and aviation units. Kalyani Strategic Systems Limited has bagged contracts worth over 250 crore rupees from the Indian Ministry of Defence for underwater systems, that is slated for delivery by November 2026 under fast-track procurement. TATA Advanced Systems Limited has officially flagged off the TATA 4x4 field artillery tractors for the Indian Army. Paras Defence has bagged a 35.68 crore rupees order from the Defence Ministry for portable counter-drone systems. Haryana-based DroneVerse has successfully conducted trials of its Rudra 7 FPV drone in Leh at 21,000 feet. India and Vietnam have begun the 6th edition of exercise VINBAX 2025 that focuses on interoperability and best practices. Boeing has confirmed it is resolving logistical issues that has delayed the delivery of the remaining 3 Apache attack helicopters to the Indian Army. The DRDO has issued an RFI for the design and development of next-generation air-to-air refueling pods for the Indian Air Force under the Technology Development Fund scheme. DRDO's Armament Research and Development Establishment has begun work on a downsized 105mm variant of its SAMHO semi-active mission-homing anti-tank guided missile, optimized for rifled guns used on platforms like the Zorawar light tank and future FRCV. The Indian Air Force and the US Air Force have started Exercise Scope India 2025, with the US Air Force participating only through its B-1B Lancer strategic bomber. The exercise aims to integrate the Indian Air Force's operational assets with the B-1B Lancer heavy bomber to enhance interoperability and mission coordination, amid growing speculation over India's potential interest in leasing the B-1B Lancer platform. ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems will locally produce its SeaSpider Anti-Torpedo torpedo in partnership with an Indian firm, which is the world's first hard-kill torpedo interceptor that can detect and destroy incoming torpedoes within 1,000 meters. Production begins by mid-2026, with up to 60% indigenous content, with plans to export the system to Vietnam, Indonesia and the Philippines. Experts have said that the new visuals of Su-57 carrying the Kh-58 anti-radiation missiles and short-range R-74 air-to-air missiles marks a key milestone in the evolution of Su-57 as a dedicated platform for suppression of enemy air defenses. The Su-57's stealth capability could offer India a high and deep strike option against heavily defended airspaces. The Indian Air Force's Su-30 fighter jets have been integrated with 2 indigenous electronic warfare suites under Super Sukhoi upgrade program, creating a gallium nitride-based electronic shield to jam radars, disrupt missile locks and counter surface-to-air missile threats. The systems use AI-powered active jamming, as well as passive detection and deception, making the Su-30 nearly invisible to enemy radar systems. The systems are undergoing flight trials at Nashik, and is expected to gain operational clearance by late 2026. Retrofitting will then proceed at about 10 to 15 aircraft per month. Today's top 3 comments.